This is a short demo on how to use the Blockpit tax tool migration to easily transfer your accounting data into your Blockpit account and continue working from there. So first, you have to log into your accounting dashboard and export the full history. This file contains all transaction data from your integrated exchanges, wallets, and the like. Next, create a Blockpit account or log into an existing one. You can find the tax tool migration under Integrations, where you can later also add further wallets or exchanges. Now drag your full history Excel into the download area and click Continue. Blockpit will recognize all used coins and tokens and map them to our asset database. Please check if the assignment is correct, as many assets use the same ticker or even token name. You can change any of the mappings which might have a different asset linked. For example, here I adopted Atom to be in fact the Cosmos token and BEST to represent the Bitpanda ecosystem token. On the next page, you can find a similar classification process, this time for the transaction types. This is necessary as Blockpit uses other labels for some of those types. In general, we already assigned the correct classifications in terms of tax relevance, but you have the chance to manually adapt things, which you can of course always do later as well. Finally, we have our integrations, meaning the wallets and exchanges you had connected in your accounting account. Every integration already has the complete transaction history until the day of the export attached, and transfers between those integrations are automatically linked. You now have the chance to enable the automated sync, meaning to reconnect all the respective blockchains or exchanges and automatically import future transactions. For exchanges like Bitpanda in this example, just paste your API keys one more time, read-only access of course. We do the same for Bitpanda Pro, which is now called OneTrade, and Kraken. Some exchanges might not just use one API key, but a combination of key and secret. There might also be integrations that cannot be synced anymore, for example, FTX. These can just stay static as no new transactions will be generated anyways. When it comes to wallets, the only thing we need is the public key to sync data directly from the chain. Once all syncs have been set up, you can finalize the process and your account will be ready. Feel free to reach out to our support anytime if questions arise, and I hope you enjoy working with Blockpit.